Hi, children. Welcome back to part two. So, in the part one, we have seen that Don Quixote and Sancho went for an adventure, isn't it? They saw a huge windmill, and Don Quixote started fighting with it, and he thought that it was a monster, isn't it? And also, finally, he was injured. So, this is what we have seen in this. In the part one, isn't it? So now we are going to continue the same novel in this video. Okay. So finally, I told you that in the part one, Goizot went to fight with the windmill as he thought it was a monster. So let's continue it. What happened? Goizot, oh, prepare to face my spear, ogre. So Goizot tells the windmill that just come and fight with me. Just prepare to face my spear. Spear என்னது ஈட்டி என்னோட ஈட்டிக்கு பதில் சொல்லு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஃபேஸ் பண்ணு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கோயிசட் வந்து he started fighting with the windmill. With that, Don Quixote fly towards the windmill and collide with it. So he went to fight with that. அப்படியே போயிட்டு சண்டை போடுறது போறாரு. ஃபைனலி ஹி வாஸ் கொல்லிடுனது கீழே விழுந்துட்டாரு. ஓகே, he was hit by that windmill. அவர் இடிச்சு கொல்லிட்னா ஹிட் பண்ணுறது, இடிக்கிறது அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ஃபைனலி he fell down. Who fell down? Quixote. Actually, it was not a monster, but he thought that it was a monster. So finally, he was injured by that fight. Sancho, master, are you all right? See, I told you it was just a windmill. Did I not give you a fair warning? Did I not tell you that they were but windmills? So Sancho tells his master Quixote that, Master, are you all right? கரெக்டாக இருக்கீங்களா? I told you it was not a monster. I told you it was just a windmill, but you went to fight with it. Okay, so I warn you not to go and fight with that, but you did it. Finally, you are injured. Okay, so நான் உனக்கு எப்பயுமே did I not tell you that they were but windmills? நான் உங்களுக்கு அப்பயே சொன்னேன் அது வந்து மாஸ்டர் கிடையாது, ஒரு windmill தான் சொன்னேன். But you went to fight with it. Finally, you are injured. Quixote, look, Sancho, the ogre is more seriously wounded than I am. Quixote tells Sancho that, Sancho, just look at the monster. He is wounded than me. He is seriously wounded than me. என்னோட பயங்கரமாக அடிபட்டிருக்கான் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறேன். In fact, the windmill is working perfectly fine. But in fact, fact என்னன்னா, the windmill is working perfectly. The windmill is working perfectly. But what happened to the Quixote? He is injured, but nothing happened to the windmill. Sancho does his best to dissuade Don Quixote from attempting anything else reckless. Okay, now Sancho wants to take him home. Okay, so after that he doesn't want him to do anything mad, to do anything ரெக்லஸ்னது ஒரு பைத்தியக்காரத்தனமாக பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு he thinks like that. சான்சோ, ஆஹாஹா, அவர் வழியில் என்ன பண்ணுறான், அவர் வழியிலே கொண்டு போயிட்டு நம்ம அவர் பேசுகிற மாதிரியே பேசிட்டோம்னா பண்ணலாம், we can take him home. He thinks like that, Sancho. ஆஹாஹா, oh, you are absolutely right. You are a great knight indeed, and you have defeated the fearsome windmill beast. So Sancho tells Quixote that, Master, you have done really amazing work. You are absolutely right. The monster is dead. The monster is dead. You are a great knight. You are a great knight indeed. நீ வந்து உண்மையானே ஒரு போர் வீரன், ஒரு மாவீரன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு he started praising him because Quixote is already behaving like a mad, isn't it? So that Sancho also wants to take him, wants to take in his route. அவருடைய வழியிலே போயிட்டு அவரை வீட்டுக்கு கொண்டு போயிடணும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறான். So that he is praising him like that. So you have defeated the fearsome windmill beast. நீ என்ன பண்ணிட்டீங்க, அந்த பீஸ்டை பீட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. You have defeated it. You have defeated the monster. It is dead. So now we can better go home. Who says? Sancho. After hitting his head on the windmill, Don Quixote became even more disorderient. So Quixote is already mad. After hitting the windmill, he became too mad. He became disorientedனா ரொம்ப ஒரு மன உடைச்சல், அதாவது he behaves like a mad. Okay. Quixote, listen to me, Sancho. Someday people will write our great exploits. Our names will live on in the memories of generations to come. Okay, the Goisor says that, listen, Sancho. People are going to talk about us. People are going to talk about our bravery, our adventures. Our names will be on in their memories. நம்மளுடைய நேம்ஸ் அவங்க மைண்டில் எப்பயுமே இருக்கும். Because we have done a great and brave adventure. So we have killed the monster. So people are going to talk about us, and also we are going to be in their mind, in their memories always, in the future generation. But we must prove worthy of that honor by conquering villains and uploading justice. Do you understand? So if you he says like that, Goizot, if you want to be in their memories, in their heart, if we want them to be in their mind always, what we have to do? We have to kill the villains. We have to kill the opponents and enemies. So vanquishing means what? Defeating. We have to defeat all the monsters and all the enemies. Then only people will prize us. Then only people will keep us in their heart and mind. Okay, who says Goizot? Tells whom? Sancho. Sancho says, yes, master. ஓகே அஃப்கோர்ஸ் நம்ம பண்ணலாம். எஸ் நீங்கள் சொல்கிற மாதிரியே பண்ணலாம் அப்படி சொல்கிறோம். As Don Quixote and Sancho pass a farm, they see a thick cloud of dust appear. Don tells him that here is absolutely a prodigious army marching in the direction. So after that, Quixote and Sancho started their journey. When they are going home, there was a huge cloudy in front of them. There was a huge cloud and dust in front of them. Actually, what was that? So absolutely, they think that Goiso thinks that there is a huge troops army or marching towards them. Okay, ஏதோ ஒரு பெரிய ஆர்மி வந்து அவங்கள நோக்கி வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. So that he feels like that. Actually, what was that year? What was that originally? Really, what was that? It is just a herd of ships. ஒரு ஆட்டு மந்தைகள் தான் வந்துட்டுருக்கு. அது எப்படி வருது? அந்த மண்ணுலாம் பறந்துட்டு இப்போ நடக்கும்போது ஆகும் மண்ணெலாம் பறக்குள்ள. ஸோ தட் he thought that it was a army, so that they are going to attack him. Sancho, oh sir, what must we do? நம்ம இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறது? What we have to do? What we must do? He is asking Quixote. Quixote, do. Why? We must at once go to the help of the weaker side. Of course, Quixote says that, Sancho, this army is going to kill the innocent people, so that we are going to save them. So we have to save them. We have to stand with the weaker side. We have to stand with the weaker side. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? அந்த பாவப்பட்ட மக்களுக்காக நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? We have to fight for them. Okay, so he thinks that the army is going to kill the innocent people, so that Quixote wants to fight for the weaker people against the army. Okay, so what happens next? See, Don start to name the leaders and principal knights in each army, and describe the different nations represented. So now he's going to call out their leaders and their principals' names. Okay, Sancho, but sir, not a single one of the knights and giants that you have named do I see at all. நீங்கள் சொன்ன மாதிரி எந்த ஒரு I can't see any leaders, any principals or knights, army. I can't see anything here. I can see only the herd of ships. என்னால் அந்த ஆடுகள் தான் பார்க்க முடியுது. But I can't see what you are saying, because you are saying the army is coming towards us and going to kill the innocent people. But I can't see anything like that you are saying. Who says? Sancho. Quixote, how now? At least you must hear the neighing of steeds, the sound of trumpets, and the rattling of drums. Okay, can't you hear the sound of the army? Can't you hear the sound of the neighing of steeds? Neighing sound and the army வர sound ஒன்று கேட்கலையா? their sound of trumpets, அவங்க அந்த மோளத்தை அந்த ட்ரம்ஸ் அடிச்சுட்டு வராங்க, அது ஒன்று கேட்கலையா? And the rattling of drums. So can't you hear anything? Because they are coming towards us. Why can't you hear anything? Quixote is asking Sancho. Sancho is completely stunned. Sancho, I hear nothing but the bleating of many sheep and lambs. Sir Quixote, I can hear nothing. I hear nothing. எனக்கு ஒன்றுமே கேட்கல. but I can hear only one thing from the ship sound. I can hear only one sound, that is the moving of the ships and lands. அந்த ஆடுகளும் அந்த ஆட்டு மந்தைகள் போகிற சத்தம் மட்டும் தான் எனக்கு கேட்குது. பட் ஐ காண்ட் ஹியர் எனி சவுண்ட் தட் யூ ஆர் சேயிங், லைக் ஆர்மி ஆர் கம்மிங், தே ஆர் ட்ரம்பட்டிங், they are making drums. I can't hear anything. But you are who says Sancho? Quixote, your fears prevent you from hearing or seeing all right. But if you refuse to follow me to do the battle, stand aside and I will go on alone. Quixote says, Sancho, you are afraid. You are fearful. நீ பயந்துட்ட. Okay. So that's why you are saying like that. அதனால தான் இப்படி என்கிட்ட சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க. I am not afraid. Okay. I am not afraid. You are only afraid. So Sancho, if you are afraid of, your fears prevent you from hearing. உன்னுடைய அந்த பயம் என்ன பண்ணுது, அதை கேட்க முடியாமல் பண்ணுது. ஸோ தட் யூ ஜஸ்ட் கோ அசைட், யூ ஜஸ்ட் கோ அண்ட் ஸ்டாண்ட் அசைட், ஐ வில் கோ அண்ட் ஃபைட் வித் த ஆர்மி, ஐ வில் பேட்டில் வித் த ஆர்மி அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறேன். யார்? கோயிசோட். ஸ்டாண்ட் அசைட் அண்ட் ஐ வில் கோ அலோன். நான் தனியாக போய் சண்டை போடுறேன். யூ ஜஸ்ட் கோ அண்ட் சிட், யூ ஜஸ்ட் கோ அண்ட் ஸ்டாண்ட் அலோன் அண்ட் அசைட், ஐ வில் ஜஸ்ட் கோ அண்ட் ஃபைட் வித் தம் அண்ட் ஃபார் த இன்னசென்ட் பீப்புள். Sancho, hold, sir, come back, I entreat. What madness is this? They are verily but sheep and lambs. Sancho says again and again, stop, master, please. That is not army, they are just sheep. அது சும்மா ஆடுங்க தான். Then why are you going to fight with them? Okay, so please come back, we better go home. Okay, who is asking? Sancho. அது சும்மா ஆடுங்க தான். ஆர் யூ மேட்? வாட் மேட்னஸ் இஸ் திஸ்? என்ன ஒரு பைத்தியக்காரத்தனம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு he is telling him again and again. Don Quixote sends punks to Rocinante and charge into the midst of the sheep. At this, the frightened animals flee skeltered in all directions, and the shepherds, seeing the cause of their disorder, pursue Don Quixote with a shower of such a well aimed stones that soon he fall wounded to the ground. So now Don Quixote is going to fight with the army. Actually, in fact he is going to fight with the sheep. Okay, when he went to fight with the sheep, what happened? All the frightened animals started scattering. பயந்து ஓட ஆரம்பிச்சிடுச்சு அந்தந்த டைரக்ஷனில். So all these animals started scattering and started running in their own direction, because all these animals were frightened by Don Quixote. Okay. The shepherds and the ஆடு மேய்க்கிறவங்களாம் பார்க்குறான். who is this mad guy? Why he is doing like this? Why he is driving away all the sheep? Okay, who thinks like that? The shepherds. Finally, they came to know that he is a mentally disorder. The people think that Don Quixote is mentally disordered. He is mad. Okay, that's why he is going to fight with the sheep. Quixote, oh, ha. Did you see those cowards run? They are right to fear Don Quixote. Okay, Don Quixote says that, Sancho, did you see the cowards run? And the கோழைங்க ரன் ஓடுறத பார்த்தியா? Because they were running in their own, they were afraid of me. They are afraid of me, so that they are going in their own way. The local peasants all think Don Quixote is crazy. They laugh and taunt as they pass. So finally, the local people saw this incident. They thought that he's mad, and they started teasing him. They started mocking him, because they came to know that Don Quixote is a mad. Okay, he's doing everything mad. Okay, so that people started taunting him. Taunt another அவரை டீஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. The first peasant, the village person says, look, it's a Don Quixote, the madman. பாரு, இது யார் தெரியுமா? இவர் தான் டான் கோயிசோட். அவர் வந்து ஒரு பைத்தியம். Peasant says, second ஆள் சொல்கிறான், hey sir knight, what a kind of beast did you feed this time? இன்னைக்கு எந்த மிருகத்தை நீங்கள் கொண்டீங்க? எந்த ஒரு டிஃபீட், எந்த ஒரு மான்ஸ்டரை நீங்கள் கொண்டீங்க? பீஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு கேட்குறான். நக்கலா எப்படி? இஸ் மோக்கிங் ஹிம், இஸ் டீசிங் ஹிம். Peasant 3, did you finally get those evil sheep? Ha. Finally you killed the monster. Another person சொல்கிறான், finally did you finally get those evil sheep? அவங்கள அந்த ஈவில் ஷிப்பை நீங்கள் கொண்டுட்டீங்களா அப்படின்னு. All hail the mad knight Don Quixote. Ha. Don Quixote does not understand and think the people are cheering for him. Don Quixote thinks that all these people are praising him, all these people are cheering for him, and he doesn't know what they are talking about. He thinks that the people are praising him, cheering for him. அவர் நினச்சிட்டு இருக்காரு அவங்க அவருக்கு தெரியல அவங்க எல்லாருமே இவர் கிண்டல் பண்ணுறாங்கன்னு. He thinks that the people are cheering for him. அவரை புகழ்றாங்க அப்படின்னு நினச்சிட்டு இருக்காரு. Quixote, Sancho, look, see how the people welcoming us. See how the people welcome us. They must have heard of our great deeds. Quixote சொல்றாரு, Sancho, just see the people how they are welcoming us, and they must have heard of our great stories. நம்ம ஸ்டோரிஸ் அவங்க கேட்டிருக்கணும். That's why they are praising us. Sancho, oh no, master, listen very carefully. They are not welcoming us. They are mocking us. They are mocking you. Sancho சொல்றான், sir, master, they are not praising us. Listen to them carefully. They are not praising us. Instead of that, they are mocking you. அவங்க உங்களை கிண்டல் பண்ணுறாங்க. மோக்குனது கிண்டல் பண்ணுறது. So they are mocking you. Okay, so don't think like that. Who says? Sancho. Quixote, Sancho, when will you see the truth? உனக்கு எப்போ தான் புரிய போகுது, இது எப்போ தான் உனக்கு அந்த உண்மை புரியும் அப்படின்னு Quixote says like that. Sancho, enough is enough. Please, master, விடுங்க. Please be silent. Enough. Okay, stop saying, stop doing anything. Quixote, very well, we shall speak no more of this today, but we need more adventure, Sancho. Okay, Quixote says, okay, Sancho, I will stop here, but we are going to continue more adventures hereafter. We are going to continue more adventures. We need to continue more adventures. Who says? Quixote. Sancho says, yes, master, we need more adventures. Yes, நம்ம இன்னும் பண்ணலாம், இன்னும் நிறைய adventures பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறேன். Finally, they went back to home. Returned to his estate, Don Quixote realized that all his adventures were simply a product of his imagination. Don Quixote never embraces himself further by going on any more quests, but his house will always be full of children to whom he would tell the most fantastic stories about knights, squires, and noble courts. They lived happily together, going on many more adventures in their imagination. So finally, Quixote came to know that he is in dream. He is dreaming, and he is imagining. Finally, came to know that he is imagining all this thing. Okay, he isn't it? The Quixote, he stopped doing that, and there are children at Quixote home, and he started telling them story. He started telling the children a lot of adventurous and brave stories. Okay, about knights and their choirs and noble courts. So he started telling the children a lot of adventurous stories and about knights and squires and noble courts. So all these people lived a happy life together, and going on many more adventures in their imagination. So we too feel like we are going to hear a lot of adventurous stories from him. Okay, in his imagination. Okay, children, this is what the lesson. The lesson is over. So what we learned from the lesson is that we see a person, Quixote. He's an old man. He wants to be an adventurer. He went out for adventure with Sancho. So he has done a lot of insane. Okay, ஒரு பைத்தியத்தனமா நிறைய பண்ணாரு. But it is an adventurous story. Okay, and also it is a comic, very interesting story, and we laughed a lot, isn't it? So that it is an interesting story. So thank you, children, for watching this video.